In this video I will be showing you my new 1 to 400 scale airport, and I will show you new lights I have added to my airport. As you might have known, I am switching to the 1 to 400 scale. I came to 1 to 500 but I did not enjoy it that much. 1 to 400 is way more detailed, and here you see my new airport. I have quite a few models already. And I am really happy with the result. Here you see an Emirates A380. I got it brand new 2 days ago actually, and it's very big, I can assure you. In this video I will be talking about these lights. In another video, when it's completely finished, I will be talking about the 1 to 400 scale airport. So when I dim the LED strip, you can see the very cool effect these lights have. I think it's very cool. It adds a night effect, and it's very cheap as well. So here you can see the wiring. Of course, part of it is from the lights that are in the tarmac apron, but part of it is also from the other lights. It's a lot of work. It's quite a heavy job. It's not so easy, but the wiring is very easy. As you can see here, a small wire goes to a connecting piece, which goes to the main power source, which goes into the wall plug. Easy it is. It's a 5-minute job, but you have to do it correctly, which sometimes can be frustrating and hard. But in this video I will show you. Right here you see it. The lights come in packs of 10. I bought them on AliExpress. I will include the links in the description. The lights are cold white, as you saw. Here is one light. There is a small LED piece in the top, and then it's about 15 centimeters. And a handy thing, it's in height adjustable. That's very handy, so you can use it for various skills. I use it for 1 to 400, but you can also use it for 1 to 200. So here I connected wires to the connecting piece. Make sure to put them in far enough. 2 reasons: they are connected well, and they are in there strong, so they won't fall out. I've had this a few times. And here you see the other piece. This one goes into the main power source. So what I have done, there are 6 connecting pieces, and on each connecting piece I added 5 of those lights. So in total I have 30 lights. So as you can see here, very important: red, white, white. If you put it the other way around, it will not work. I have found it out myself. Trust me, it won't. You can try it. So it's not very long. As you can see, it's about 20 centimeters of wiring, and airport is big, so you can extend the wires a bit with these extra wires. I don't know what they are called, but all wiring will work. So here you can see it. This is the main power source. There are 6 inlets, and then you see all the extended power. And this is the AliExpress. So the lights are €3.19 for 10 pieces, and all the wiring is €12. Not expensive. I paid about €25 for everything, including shipping. And yeah, that was it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you are gonna add these lights to your airport. I think that they are a really cool addition. You should do it if you have the time, of course, and if you want to drill a hole in your airport, otherwise it will not work. So I'm gonna thank you for watching, and see you guys in another video.